Did you know? It's not your age, and it's not just stress. The reason why millions of older adults lie awake night after night, struggling to fall asleep, might be something surprisingly small, yet incredibly important, a nutrient that's often missing from everyday meals. Maybe you've tried counting sheep, drinking herbal tea, even taking sleeping pills, and still, sleep doesn't come easy. But what if you discovered which nutrient this is, and how to properly add it to your diet? You could be sleeping soundly tonight, just like you used to years ago. It sounds simple, and yet, 99% of older adults suffering from chronic insomnia have no idea about this. And chances are, you might be one of them. Stick around till the end of this video. I'll reveal a common food that contains the highest amount of this powerful nutrient. It's one you don't want to miss. Dear friend, sleeplessness is not something unusual, especially once we reach our 60s. Those long nights of tossing and turning, unable to find rest, and the mornings after, when the body feels heavy, the mind dull. You are not alone. Millions of people your age are going through the same thing. But that doesn't mean you're weak or broken. It may simply mean that your body, gently and quietly, is trying to tell you something. That it's missing a key nutrient, something essential to calm your nervous system, regulate your sleep, and bring peace to your mind. In this video, I won't use complicated medical terms. Instead, I'll share with you, gently and clearly, a small but powerful truth that science now understands, and how you can bring it into your life through everyday foods right in your kitchen. If you care about staying healthy and happy in your golden years, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the helpful videos we post each week. If you find this content useful, please comment the number 1 below. If not yet, comment 0 so we know what to improve. Which of these foods do you already enjoy? Or which one are you excited to try first? Let us know below. Food number 1. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews. Tiny seeds, for a peaceful sleep. Dear friend, have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, wondering, why can't I sleep? You may think it's just age, or stress, but in truth, your body might simply be missing something small, yet vital. Magnesium, a mineral that helps your nerves relax, your muscles release tension, and your mind quiet down. And you can find it naturally in these tiny, tasty foods, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews. And your body is whispering, are you listening? Many older adults experience restlessness at night, muscle cramps or tingling in the legs, racing thoughts that delay sleep. Often, the cause isn't anxiety, it's a magnesium deficiency that builds up over time. And according to the National Institutes of Health, USA, magnesium helps regulate GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms the brain, relax muscles, reduce anxiety, and balance heart rhythms, all of which prepare the body for deeper sleep. A handful of nuts a day can be a gentle medicine from nature, restoring balance without pills. And I will show you how to use it effectively, safe, easy to do. Almonds. Eat 10 to 15 raw or dry roasted nuts per day. Ideally in the evening but not right before bed. Cashews. Snack during the day or add to soups and porridges. Pumpkin seeds. Soft, easy to digest. Sprinkle over oatmeal, yogurt, or salad. If you find you can't eat whole seeds or you find it difficult to chew, or get bloated easily, then I'll show you how to use it. Blend almond or cashew powder into porridge or soups. Make your own nut milk at home, calming, easy to digest, perfect for evening. Gentle reminders to stay safe. Don't overeat. 10 to 15 nuts per day is enough. Choose unsalted, unflavored, dry roasted varieties. Eat at least 1 hour before bed to avoid bloating. If allergic to nuts, always check with your doctor first. Dear one, sleep is not a luxury, it's a loving gift you can give yourself. And sometimes, it begins with something as small as a handful of nuts, and the intention to care for yourself, gently, every day. Food number 2. Bananas and avocados. Did you know that just 1 banana or half an avocado a day could be the key to better sleep? Many older adults think sleeplessness is just part of aging. But that's not the full story. Often, it's about missing nutrients like tryptophan, magnesium, or vitamin B6, which play an essential role in sleep regulation. And bananas and avocados are rich in them. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, the golden hormones of sleep. They also contain magnesium and vitamin B6, which help calm the nervous system and ease the body into restful sleep. Avocados provide healthy fats, which support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Among them, vitamin D and E help regulate mood and circadian rhythm. Eat one ripe banana about 30 minutes before bed. Blend a banana-avocado smoothie with plant-based or dairy milk for a calming nighttime drink. For light eaters, try whole grain toast with mashed avocado and banana slices, easy on digestion yet packed with calming nutrients. Avoid consuming too much avocado at night, as high fat content can be heavy for weak digestion. If you have diabetes, consult your doctor before regularly adding bananas to your diet. It's often the simplest things, a banana, a slice of avocado, that speak to your body in the gentlest ways. You don't have to force sleep. Just nourish your body right, and it will find rest, just as it was meant to. Food number 3. Salmon and mackerel. Have you ever heard, as you age, your brain just slows down and sleep becomes harder? Well, that's not entirely true. Your brain still works beautifully, it may just be missing the right fuel. One of the most powerful nutrients for memory, mood, and sleep regulation is omega-3, found richly in salmon and mackerel. For older adults, lack of omega-3 can lead to cognitive decline and disrupted sleep hormones like melatonin and serotonin. Salmon and mackerel are oily fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These essential fats reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and support emotional well-being. They also contain vitamin D, which helps regulate circadian rhythms and improves sleep quality. Especially important for seniors who get limited sunlight exposure. With adequate omega-3 intake, your brain naturally produces serotonin, a neurotransmitter that calms the mind, reduces anxiety, and promotes better sleep. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of salmon or mackerel per week. Using gentle cooking methods like steaming, grilling, or light pan searing. Pair with steamed vegetables and brown rice for a well-balanced, digestive-friendly meal. If fish isn't regularly available, consult a doctor about omega-3 supplements, fish oil or algae-based. Avoid raw or heavily salted mackerel, as it can affect blood pressure and kidney health. If you're on blood thinners or have heart conditions, check with a doctor before taking high-dose omega-3. Sometimes, a simple piece of salmon at dinner is all it takes to bring you gentle sleep and deep rest. We can't stop time, but we can choose how we nourish ourselves, so each day feels steady, and each night feels safe. Food number 4. Whole grains. Do you believe that poor sleep is simply part of aging? It's not your age, it might be your body's natural rhythm that's off balance. Whole grains may hold the secret to restoring that balance. Rich in fiber, B vitamins, and magnesium, whole grains not only aid digestion but also help regulate sleep hormones and stabilize blood sugar levels through the night. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, which then converts into melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. Unlike refined carbs, which spike and crash blood sugar, waking you up at night, whole grains provide a steady release of energy, helping you sleep longer and more deeply. A small bowl of oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast 1 to 2 hours before bedtime may support sleep. Pair with unsweetened warm milk or banana slices for added benefit. In the morning, enjoy whole grains with fruit, nuts, or yogurt for a gentle, gut-friendly start. Avoid fake whole grain products with added sugar or flavorings. Always check the ingredients, choose minimally processed options. If you have digestive issues, start with small portions and gradually increase to allow your body to adjust to the fiber. A warm bowl of oatmeal at night may seem simple, but it's a small act of kindness your body remembers. You don't need sleeping pills to rest well. Just one mindful meal might be enough for your body to begin healing itself. Food number 5. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Have you ever heard the saying, "A peaceful mind and nourished body bring deep sleep"? But many forget one of the simplest, most powerful sleep-friendly foods: leafy greens, especially spinach and kale. Nighttime symptoms like muscle cramps, restlessness, or rapid heartbeat may be signs of magnesium or potassium deficiency, minerals that leafy greens are full of. Spinach and kale are natural superfoods, high in magnesium, which helps relax muscles, calm the nervous system, and regulate heartbeat. They also contain folate, B9, and vitamin C, both important for the production of serotonin, which your body converts into melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to rest. Eating leafy greens regularly helps your body gently prepare for sleep. Lightly steam or stir-fry spinach, kale for dinner, paired with fish or whole grains. Green smoothies with banana, almond milk, or nut butter are great in the afternoon. Avoid overcooking, gentle steaming or sautéing with olive oil is best. If you have kidney issues or a history of kidney stones, limit intake due to natural oxalates in greens. Always wash thoroughly, especially kale, which may retain pesticides or dust. A simple dish of leafy greens might be the soft blanket your body needs to relax at night. You don't need medication, just a calm, nourishing meal can become your natural sleep remedy. Sometimes, sleeplessness isn't from overthinking. It's your body quietly whispering, "I need a little more care, a little more nourishment." Nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and folate, they may seem small, but they're the threads connecting deep rest with emotional peace. And if today you've learned that, then congratulations. You're not broken, you're evolving, growing into a wiser, softer version of yourself. Which food do you find easiest to include in your meals? Share it in the comments below, let's talk. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for gentle wellness tips each week. If this was helpful, comment 1 if you still have questions. Comment 0 and I'll keep improving. Evening habits that seem harmless, but silently sabotage your sleep after 60. You don't need anything grand to be well. Just listen to your body. Day by day, with kindness. You deserve restful sleep, not through pills, but through self-understanding.